everyone, and welcome back to my art channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting. Today I am using a 11 by 14 canvas. I'm gonna do a puddle pour. I'm using some of my leftover paint that I've had accumulating, and I just want to use it. So this is it. It is beautiful. It's baby blue, and it is very wet, watery consistency. So I am going to try to make a another painting that has pearl in it. The pearls may not come out right, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what we end up with. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start pouring. And I'm gonna pour and then I'm gonna tilt, and I'm using a yellow color and also a greenish blue color for the my primary colors that I'm gonna pour on top of my base. So yeah. With the yellow, and then we just pour puddle on top of each other, and then we'll tilt and we'll see what we come up with. So guys, I am going to put you on time lapse here. Enjoy the video and the beautiful music. Guys, I'm not really happy with the way this turned out, so I think I'm gonna pour over it. I'm gonna pour the same base paint on top of this, and then the same blue paint and other paint that I just used. I'm going to go ahead and pour on top of what I have right now, because I'm not very happy with it. It's just stretched too much, and I wanted the lines to be, the design to be a little bit better, but it's just does not look the way I wanted it to. So I'm gonna pour on top of it and see what happens. Okay, see you at the end. if you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Okay, now this one looks a little bit better. It's not as busy as the first one, so I think I'm gonna keep it this way. It's not as I mean, at least it's got a little bit of a design. So this is what I got. It is nice, but it's not one of my favorites. You know, I've done better before. So yeah, what do you guys think? Leave a comment. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family. And God bless. Bye.